English around the world. Canada. Canada is located in the northern part of the American continent. It extends from the Atlantic to the Pacific and northward into the Arctic Ocean. Canada is the world's second largest country by total area. Its border with the United States is the world's longest land border, with 8,891 kilometers. Canada has 10 provinces and 3 territories. Canada's population is only 34 million inhabitants. The country is officially bilingual, French and English. Ottawa is the capital, with about 900,000 inhabitants. Other important cities are Montreal, Calgary, and Vancouver. Canada's currency is the Canadian dollar. Canada is a parliamentary federal state with a constitutional monarchy. Queen Elizabeth II is the head of state. Canada's flag is white and red with a red maple leaf in the center. Canada's economy is one of the world's largest, and it relies largely upon its natural resources and international trade. A little bit of history. The land that is now Canada has been inhabited for millennia by various Aboriginal people. Beginning in the late 15th century, British and French colonial expeditions explored and later settled the Atlantic coast regions. In 1867, with the union of 3 British North American colonies, Canada was formed as a federal dominion of 4 provinces. This began an accretion of provinces and territories, and a process of increasing autonomy, culminating in the Canada Act of 1982. Canada was actively involved in World War I and II. Nature in Canada is impressive and wild, but winter in Canada is very hard. Some holidays in Canada are similar to those in the US, but holidays that are exclusively Canadian truly show the Canadian spirit. Canada Day is the National Day of Canada, celebrating Canadian independence. Remembrance Day. On November 11th, Canadians remember those who have served their country in times of war and peace. Another holiday is the Calgary Stampede and the St. Jean Baptiste Day in Quebec, or the Caravana in Toronto. Some Canadian food. Maple syrup is a Canadian icon. It is a syrup usually made from the xylem sap of sugar maple trees. Maple syrup was first collected and used by the indigenous peoples of North America. Montreal-style bagels, Canadian pea meal bacon, Calgary-style ginger beef, Inuit bannock fried bread, and poutine, which is a dish made of French fries, gravy, and cheese curds. Thanks to all the people who share their pictures and vids.